Pax Vobiscum. The risen Lord has instructed His angels to tell the disciples to go back to Galilee in order to see Him. What is the meaning of seeing Him in Galilee? Number one, let us remember, it's in Galilee wherein the Lord called His first disciples. As if the Galilee is the place of their first love. Number two, Galilee is the place wherein He prepared His disciples for a mission. Just like a seminary training. Number three, Galilee means beginning, a new beginning. So when the Lord has resurrected, He did not rebuke His disciples. He did not tell them, why did you abandon me? Why did you forsake me during times of darkness? But rather, when the Lord has rose from the dead, He told them, peace be with you. Peace be with you. Go back to Galilee. Meaning to say, I'm forgetting everything what you have done to me. I'm forgiving you. Let us start all over again. So this might be a good message for us this Easter season. Let's start all over again. Let's start all over again. Let us forget everything. Let us now begin a new life. Very beautiful. So I'm encouraging you to let go of the hearts that you have nourishing in the past days and move on. Let's start all over again. Let us begin a new life. There's no harm in trying. Try again. Maybe you are discouraged, you're disappointed because of the rejection, because of the past hearts, because of life heartbreaking experience. But let us forget now everything. And let's start all over again. Let's try again. Let us begin a new life. A blessed Easter to every one of you. Amen. Amen.